Python is great for working with data. With Anvil, you can build web apps to interact with datasets and machine learning models entirely in Python. In this video, I'll show you how to use Anvil's data file service to attach static data to your web app. We're going to upload a CSV dataset and plot the data from it using Pandas. Then we'll display the plot online for everyone to see, all in Python. We start by uploading our dataset into our app's data file service. I'm using some example data of Apple's stock price over time. Now let's write a server function to plot that data. We can use the data_files object to get the path to the file we just uploaded and then load it into Pandas. We'll use the Pandas Plotly backend to plot our dataset as a line graph and return that figure from our server function. Now let's build a front end to display our graph. Drag and drop a plot component onto our page from the toolbox on the right. Then switch to our front end Python code. In the init method, we call the server function we just defined, then we put that figure into the plot component we added to our page. When we run the app, it will load the dataset and plot it with Pandas. You can use Anvil's data files to load and run machine learning models, complicated datasets, and more. To find out more about Anvil and using data files, check out the links in the description. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more Anvil content. Thanks for watching.